taking a look at Moat Brae, where Peter Pan creator, JM Barrie, played in his youth. As the old year of 2018 draws to a close and we reflect on the memories, it also makes sense to plan out the year ahead. The time spent on this planning can help winter to pass, and before you know it, spring is just around the corner. As for myself, I have already started my plans and have penciled in a trip to Moat Brae in Dumfries, which is being renovated. We will be taking our granddaughter, who is 4 years old. As with just about every other kid her age, she is very familiar with Peter Pan and all the other characters involved in the tale. She is sure to be awestruck with what will be on show here. When the author, James Matthew Barrie, was between 13 and 18 years of age, he and his friends played out pirate games here at Moat Brae. These games became the inspiration of the now famous Peter Pan story, which is well loved by children throughout the world. For almost 10 years now, Moat Brae has been transformed into the National Centre for Children's Literature and Storytelling. The planned opening of the centre is spring 2019, and it will be Scotland's latest venture, sure to attract visitors from far and wide. It would be great to hear children playing once more in the grounds of Moat Brae, playing pirates and whatever childhood games they will always be able to generate in their fantastic little minds. So, why not consider a visit to Moat Brae in the spring with your young ones? Or even help the crew at the centre with their fundraising attempts. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos featuring events and other interesting places to visit in Scotland. Click on the link below this video.